Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing Apple's MagSafe charger. So this was the charger they released as they were releasing the iPhone 12, and what this is basically a magnetic wireless charger which goes onto the back of your iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, or any of the 12 series, and it'll stick onto there basically with the magnets that are in the iPhone 12 and on this charger right here, and it'll stay on as you're charging. So it's a pretty cool thing. You don't have to, I guess, plug in a cable. You're able to use wireless charging as you're moving your phone or as you're using your device. But let's go ahead and check this out real quick and see what I think about it and if this is actually worth the $40 that you pay for it. So as I said, you heard me right, this is $40 for a wireless charger, and let's go ahead and unbox it real quick. So let's go ahead and check out the packaging real quick. It just has like the MagSafe right there, the picture of it, and then it says MagSafe charger with the Apple logo. The back just gives some information. MagSafe charger, it says USB-C, and you also have to connect it to a 20-watt power brick. So that is a thing that I would like to talk about real quick. This right here, you're supposed to use a 20-watt charging brick for it, and Apple doesn't provide you one. So you pay $40 for this, plus you're gonna have to either buy one from Amazon, like a 20-watt USB-C power adapter, like from maybe Anchor or something, or you're gonna have to purchase it from Apple, which I went ahead and did. And this right here is gonna be another 20 bucks. So if you purchase this together, you're gonna be paying $60 USD in total. And let's go ahead and check this out to see if it's actually worth it. So packaging is pretty simple, not too much to it. Overall, you really don't need too much on it anyways. So let's go ahead and take that sticker off, and I guess you just pull this part, okay, and you're able to pull this out right here. So right away we can see our MagSafe charger, plus we have some instructions right here. So warranty summary, some things right there, put that to the side, and there is nothing else inside of the box other than another paper which you really don't need to read. So let's go ahead and put that to the side. We can see our MagSafe charger right here, designed by Apple in California. Let's go ahead and open this, and boom, we can see our MagSafe charger right away. Pull the cable out, and then pull this cable out right here, if I can manage to pull it out. Okay, and then we also have to take this out, which is not coming out for some reason. I think you might have to just pull it out like that. Boom. So simple packaging. You have your cable that is connected to it, and also this does have a cable that is connected to it, so you cannot take it off and just carry this around with you, and that is kind of annoying, but I guess you'll have to deal with it. Here is our cable. As I said, it's a USB-C cable, and overall it's a pretty light device right here, and it does feel pretty solid in the hand. It is made out of metal, so that is really nice overall. So let's go ahead and plop this onto my iPhone real quick before connecting it, and boom, as you can see, this connects on pretty well, and it does not seem to fall off. If you pull it, it is going to come off real easily, but that is pretty normal for that. Let us also open this right here, the 20-watt power adapter, which we will be using. Throw that to the side and try and open it. Boom. Simple packaging again. You don't need too much anyways. Right there. Throw all that to the side and open this up like that, and boom, right there. This is our power adapter, our 20-watt power brick, and we can go ahead and connect this to our MagSafe charger right here. So I'll connect it real quick. Boom, like so. And let us also connect this to my, I guess, plug this in, and boom, we have power now. So this should start charging right away. Okay, we also get that cool MagSafe animation right there, which is really nice overall. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the things, like the specs on this. This does go up to 15 watts of charging speed, so that is really nice. But one disclaimer that I'd like to add is that generally this usually charges at around 7.5 watts. So Apple has decided to bring the charging speeds down while it's charging your phone, so apparently it's the most efficient way, and I guess it saves your battery's health or whatnot. But 7.5 watts does seem really slow and not really convenient, especially when you're connecting it to a 20-watt power adapter. And it would be nice if we got the full 15 watts of capability onto our iPhone, but I guess Apple just didn't want to do that, and that is what they thought was best. Personally, I really don't think so. The battery health probably won't die out really easily anyways, and so having 15-watt charging speeds would be really nice. But it is pretty easy to charge. As you can see, you can just go ahead and do this and use your phone like you would normally and still be charging with a wireless charger. Now let's go ahead and test out some other things like putting a case on it. So I do have my D brand case right here, the MagSafe compatible one. And I will also be testing out a case that is not MagSafe compatible, just to make sure that it does work or it does not work. So let's go ahead and plop this on real quick, and boom. The animation is still there, still works perfectly, and it will still get you the same charging speeds that you would already get. So one more thing, let's go ahead and add my MagSafe wallet onto the back and see if it can go through this. Does seem like it's sticking, but I don't think it will be charging. No charge, as you can see. And now let's go ahead and take this off and plop this on here, and then also plop this onto here. So it doesn't seem like it's connecting really well, but you are still able to use it like this if you want to keep that on there, if you want to keep your MagSafe wallet onto there. But this doesn't look nice, so I'm going to go ahead and plop this off, and basically you can see that it will charge through a MagSafe compatible case, which is pretty normal, and it should already. So now let's go ahead and take this off and test out a case that does not have MagSafe compatibility on it, just a normal clear case that I have for my iPhone 12. Just going to plop this on like so. This is a clear case that I had gotten when I first purchased my phone, and let us see if it is MagSafe compatible, I guess, if MagSafe works with it. And boom, as you can see, it plops on really well. Is it charging? Yes, we are charging. We also do get the animation, so like so, boom. However, one thing is that it does not stick on well. As you can see, it is moving around a lot because the case itself does not have magnets, and so it will not give you that extra, I guess, hold, which is a little annoying, but that is fine. So overall, the MagSafe charger is a pretty cool product. I wish it did have faster charging, and for the price, I definitely do not recommend it. $40 for this, and then you also need to get your power adapter, which does not come with your iPhone anyway, so you're gonna have to be getting that all the time if you don't have one. And so in total, it's going to be around $60 USD, which is a lot just for a wireless charger, which does charge your phone at really slow speeds, which are going to be 7.5 watts. So if you were looking into the MagSafe wireless charger, I would not recommend it unless you really want to get one. And so that is my overall review or my thoughts on the MagSafe charger. So it is, as I said, it is a pretty cool product that you can just stick onto your iPhone and just use right away, but personally I would not recommend it. And if I was not doing these videos for y'all, I would definitely not buy it because the $40 is a lot for just a wireless charger. So that's basically gonna wrap up the video, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.